Hello mga Campanatics! This is Mr. Camp, your golden voice vlogger. It's a new year and I wish that there will be more good chances of a lifetime await, not just for me but for all of us this year. Especially to all my avid Campanatics supporters who showed their support since the very start of my vlogging career. You know what, I can still remember for the past 2 years since I entered the world of vlogging, there were a lot of good things happen in my life which I never expected that we could definitely come this far. Through vlogging, it carried me into another level of my sideline job that offers me a life-changing opportunity. I get to experience the perks, as what they say. I've met a lot of business owners who first treated me as a client, but now treats me as part of their family and be able to promote their business in the best way that I can. I've been to places I've never been before and got the chance to travel and sometimes to stay in resorts and dine in restaurants for free or even to generate income out of it in exchange of my service. Aside from that, I humbly had a chance to be interviewed in GMA Regional TV Live and also featured in an inspirational digital platform magazine called Basta Cebu. Those simple things that I never expect to happen, but it really happened for the past challenging yet joyful 2 years of my life. And just last year, though I only have small yet growing subscribers on YouTube and followers on my Facebook page, unexpectedly, I was able to do a vlog collaboration and make friends with some of Cebu's famous social media influencers like Kim Arda, Miss Uncle, Just Freshie, and Barbie Ryder. National TV singing competition personalities like the Tawag ng Tanghala sa Showtime two-time defending champion Mary Kim Cabagte and GMA The Clash Top 8 finisher Clark Diaz Serafin, are also known as the Baghak. And I'd like to say that Mr. Camp miss you all guys and I hope we'll be reunited this year. So, if you know me personally right before I became the so-called vlogger, you can certainly tell that my passion for event management and directorials are evident. And when I joined the world of social media content creation, I told myself I want my passion for artistic directorial, my talent and skills for making interesting storylines, talk show, comedy skits, and voiceover will be summed up in one fun episode. And from there, that justifies the fact of what Campanatics channel is all about. Well, let's just say the bottom line of creating my contents in my platforms is that I want my viewers to see an entertaining yet informative vlog episode, especially in my travel stories that focuses mainly about local business and local tourism promotions, featuring exciting places to stay and visit, interesting foods to try, and of course my favorite part, creating a thought-provoking interview with the people behind the making of the place being featured and listening to their humble beginning and success stories. Well, why am I sharing you all of these things? Not because to brag of what I have experienced in vlogging, but simply because I want you to be inspired by my humble story that even if you are the low-key type of a content creator who's not that famous in social media like me compared to others, but know that there are many people who believe in you and who have seen your efforts to make people happy with your contents. For as long as you keep creating positive vibe contents na wala kang inaapakang tao, then laban lang talaga. For me, having not so many followers or subscribers would definitely not mean that you are not good and less worthy. Sometimes it is the great impact of the content that you are creating that makes some people or viewers out there love you the most. Remember that. Take it from me. Because personally, I admit I am not that famous. I only have small followers sa platform ko. But fortunately, I get to experience the perks of vlogging because sabi nga ng mga local brands like resort, glamping destination, restaurants and farm, vacation house, and mountain getaway that I collaborated with, it is the kind of content that I created for them that they see it's very important than the number of followers I have. Because for them, the substance really matters the most. Oh, see? So dapat push lang sa pag-vlog for as long as your intention is pure and as good as gold. With that being said, today, I'm pretty excited to share with you mga Campanatics and to unravel by far this grandest Christmas gift I have ever received last year in my life as a content creator. And what makes this Christmas present special for me? These things that I'm about to unbox are coming from one of my avid Campanatics channel follower.
Wow.
Just wow! And I cannot afford buying these kinds of vlogging tools with my own expense because I know it's kind of very expensive, especially na na-scam ako last year. Before I'm going to unbox these, shout out to Mel and Shane Lauron of I Am You Awards. And according to her, this is the vlog camera that Blackpink Jennie is using, which honestly I am not familiar with. But for some K-pop fans out there, for sure you know Jennie of Blackpink. Anyways, wag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's unbox these two items. First off, the Sony ZV-E10 interchangeable lens vlog camera.
So, this is the entire packaging of Sony ZV-E10 interchangeable lens vlog camera. The box is properly sealed, so good job for that.
Oh my god, I'm so excited!
Let's cut this out and open it. And yes, I'm a certified content creator now. Char!
Content creators!
What I'm holding now are the reference guide, the user's manual of this camera, and the safety instructions. As can be observed, there are a lot of references to study for the user to be guided accordingly. But no worries, you can always go to YouTube and search for it for your convenience. I really just can't contain my happiness, so please bear with my crazy reactions there. It's such a priceless moment though. Here's the camera, but it has to be the finale, so I'll open it later, but a surprise. So here is the windscreen that is used to reduce wind noise picked up by the internal microphone when recording a movie. There are also power cords, AC adapter, a battery pack, USB cable, and camera neck strap.
Sony nga Merlin.
And the final surprise, of course, the interchangeable lens digital camera.
Wow.
My gosh!
Next, I'm going to unbox this shooting grip with wireless remote commander.
Wow.
Let's open it. Oh, the item is properly secured with a bubble wrap. So another good job for that. I'm seeing here a shooting grip pouch. That's perfect. So here it goes, the battery. And that completes the shooting grip with wireless remote commander. Designed for creative vloggers who aspire to an artistic look, the ZV-E10 takes care of the nuts and bolts of video production. Create stunning vlog by taking advantage of interchangeable lenses, the large APS-C sensor, the built-in directional 3 capsule mic, and special features designed for vlogging. For a professional-looking vlog without the hustle, that is the ZV-E10 interchangeable lens vlog camera.
Unfortunately, I am not going to mention the name of the person who gave this because he or she wants to retain it anonymous. And I always value confidentiality, and I respect the decision of the person who gave this to me. But one thing is for sure, this person is truly a heaven sent from God above. This person, I must say, a real definition of a rich individual. Rich not because this person is wealthy, but rich, because this person is filled with overflowing kindness, generosity, and most of all, humility. And I always admire this person, for he or she remains to be very humble no matter what he or she achieves in life. And this is what I mean earlier. It is the great impact of the content that you are creating that makes some people love you the most. And I bet the person who gave this love what I am doing. Perhaps that person always love and enjoy watching my contents, and that is the impact that I left to that person. To the one who gave these gifts, you know who you are. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for this precious gift. This will surely help me create more quality contents in the future. And now, I am more inspiringly driven to continue vlogging and create more entertaining contents with substance for all of my Campanatics viewers out there. I said this to my family and real friends before, but I have to say this again. I am doing all these things not for fame, because we all die, and fame and glory for me will soon fade. But if time permits that I will become famous in this career, that's already a bonus. And definitely, it's God's will. I am always optimistic that through my platform, I can be able to influence people in social media to go to the places that I featured, so that gradually our economy and tourism will shine again. In my simple tactic, I believe it paves the way to at least be a solution for the challenges and problems brought by the pandemic. And lastly, to all the bashers out there, I thank you all for bashing me and hating my contents, because the more you bash me, the more God blesses me the things that I truly deserve. So, thank you so much, and see you on my next vlog! Goodbye, and can't wait to use my newest vlogging babies real soon!